what is the best way you could upgrade your studio. Welcome to the Rhythm Studio, where we're talking percussion, music production, and music technology. I'm Warren Henry. If you haven't done so already, please hit that subscribe button and the alert bell so that you can be notified when we release new videos. That said, let's get into it. Outside of fancy monitors, microphones, and interfaces, I often get asked what is the best way you could upgrade your studio. Mics and monitors are important, but by far the best upgrade you could make to your space is in the area of your acoustics. Not by slapping foam all over your walls, but by spending a little time locating the problem spots and a little money correcting it. And I really do mean a little money. By far, the single largest problem you're likely to encounter is in the bottom end. That's because bass frequencies are long, powerful, and have a tendency to modulate. They can smear your low mids and destroy the imaging of your stereo field. Now, that's not to say we should ignore the high frequencies. We shouldn't. It's just that you're likely to have problems getting your mixes to translate well in a room that has a problematic bottom end. The good news is that it's not going to cost you an astronomical amount of money to correct this issue. With about $200 spent and a little time, you can correct this problem with a simple box. You can build a 24-inch by 24-inch freestanding bass trap using pre-cut material from your local big box store. But that is only half of it. What you need is this: Roxol Safe and Sound insulation. At about $50 a bag, it will yield better results at taming your bottom end than any so-called bass trap you can buy from your local music store. Now, to be clear, what you are building is not a true diaphragmatic bass absorber because it does not have the many layers that design has. However, because of the width of the cabinet and the dense property of Roxol, it'll definitely clean up any low-end corner mud, all at less than the cost of the so-called bass trap that you're gonna pay big bucks for at the music store. So, if you're handy with tools and want to improve the sound of your space, building your own bass trap won't cost a fortune and does a far better job than any foam product you could purchase. Like this video by giving it a thumbs up and sharing it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for tuning in. Please subscribe and don't forget to say hello to the family for me.